Leela lives in a small town called Greenhill. Greenhill has green trees, bright flowers, and a big park. Leela loves the park. She goes there every day. She likes to sit on a bench and draw. She draws birds, flowers, and trees. Leela is 20 years old. She works at a bakery. She makes cakes and cookies. The bakery smells sweet. Customers smile at Leela. She smiles back. But Leela has a secret. She wants to speak English well. She knows some words, but she feels shy. She does not talk much. One sunny day, Leela walks in the park. She sees a sign. It says, English Club, Learn and Speak. The club meets every Saturday. Leela feels nervous. Can I speak English? She thinks. She takes a deep breath. She writes her name on the sign-up sheet. She feels a little brave. On Saturday, Leela goes to the English club. Many people are there. Some are young, some are old. They all want to learn English. A woman named Emma is the leader. Emma has a big smile. She says, Welcome, Leela. We are happy you are here. Do you like English?
Lila nods. I want to learn, but I am shy. Emma laughs. That's okay. We all start somewhere. Let's have fun. The club plays a game. Everyone says their name and one thing they love. Lila says, My name is Lila. I love drawing. Her voice is soft, but she feels good. Emma claps. Drawing is great, Lila. You can use drawing to learn English. Lila is confused. How? She asks. Emma says, Drawing can be your wedge. A wedge is something you love. It helps you learn English. For example, I love cooking. I watch cooking videos in English. I learn words like mix, cut, and boil. Cooking is my wedge. A boy named Sam raises his hand. I love soccer, he says. Can soccer be my wedge? Yes, Emma says. Watch soccer games in English. Learn words like kick, goal, and team. Lila thinks about drawing. Can drawing be my wedge? She asks. Emma nods. Yes, Lila. Draw pictures. Write English words for them. It will be fun. Leela feels excited. She loves drawing. Maybe this will help her speak English. Emma gives homework. Find something you love, she says. Use it to practice English. Tell us about it next week. Leela goes home. She takes out her sketchbook. She draws a flower. She writes flower. She draws a bird. She writes bird. She draws a cake. She writes cake. She says the words out loud. Flower, bird, cake. Her voice is quiet, but she smiles. This is fun. The next day, Leela goes to the bakery. She tries something new. A customer asks for a cookie. Leela says, "This is a chocolate cookie. It is good." The customer smiles. Leela feels proud. She tries again with another customer. "Do you want a cake? It is fresh." The customer nods. Leela feels happy. On Saturday, Leela goes back to the English club. She brings her sketchbook. She shows her drawings to Emma. "Look," Leela says, "I drew a flower, a bird, and a cake. I wrote the words in English." Emma looks at the drawings. "Wow, Leela, these are beautiful. You are learning new words." Leela smiles. "I like drawing and saying the words." Sam shares his story. "I watched a soccer game in English," he says. "I learned words like score and pass. I shouted goal when my team won." Everyone laughs. Emma says, "Great job, Sam. Soccer is your wedge. Leela's wedge is drawing. Keep using your wedge."
Leela feels more confident. She wants to learn more words. She wants to talk more. Every day she draws something new. She draws a tree and writes tree. She draws a cat and writes cat. She draws a sun and writes sun. She says the words out loud. Her voice is stronger now. One day, a new customer comes to the bakery. His name is Jack. Jack is from a city called Starville. He speaks English very well. He orders a cookie. He smiles at Leela. "Do you make these cookies?" he asks in English. Leela nods. "Yes, I make cookies and cakes." "They look great," Jack says. "Do you like to bake?" "Yes," Leela says, "and I love to draw." Jack's eyes light up. "I draw too. I draw animals." Leela is excited. "I draw animals too. I draw birds and cats." Jack laughs. "Cool. Do you want to draw together one day?" Leela feels shy but happy. "Okay," she says. The next day, Leela and Jack meet at the park. They sit under a big tree. Leela draws a bird. Jack draws a dog. They talk in English. "What is this?" Jack asks, pointing to Leela's bird. "It is a sparrow. It is a small bird." Jack nods. "Nice. My dog is a husky. It has blue eyes." Leela learns new words, sparrow and husky. She writes them in her sketchbook. She feels brave. Talking to Jack is easy. Jack says, "You are good at drawing, and your English is good too." Leela blushes. "Thank you. I am learning." Leela and Jack meet every week. They draw and talk. Jack teaches Leela words like cloud and mountain. Leela teaches Jack words like petal and wing. They laugh and learn together. Leela feels happy. She is not so shy anymore. One Saturday, Emma has big news. The town is having an art show, she says. You can show your drawings. You can talk about them in English. Leela is nervous. Talk in English? In front of people? Yes, Leela, you can do it. Use your wedge, show your drawings, tell people about them. Leela thinks about it. She loves drawing. She wants to try. She spends all week drawing. She draws flowers, birds, and cakes. She writes English words for each picture. She practices saying, "This is a rose. It is red. This is a cake. It is sweet." On the day of the art show, the park is full of people. Leela is scared. Jack is there too. He shows his dog drawings. He talks to people in English. Leela watches him. He looks confident. Leela takes a deep breath. She stands next to her drawings. A woman looks at her picture of a bird. "What is this?" the woman asks. Leela smiles. "This is a sparrow. It is small. It sings beautifully." The woman nods. "Very nice. Your drawing is pretty." Leela feels happy. She talks to more people. She says, "This is a cake. It is chocolate. This is a flower. It is a rose." People smile and clap. Leela feels proud. Jack comes over. "You did great, Leela," he says. "Your English is awesome." Leela laughs. "Thank you, Jack. I used my wedge." After the art show, Leela feels different. She speaks English at the bakery. She says, "Do you want a cookie? It is fresh." Customers smile and talk to her. Leela feels confident. She goes to the English club every week. She shares her story. "I showed my drawings at the art show," she says. "I talked in English. It was scary, but I did it." Emma claps. "Leela, you found your wedge. Drawing helped you speak English." Sam shares too. "I joined a soccer team," he says. "We talk in English. I learned words like defense and attack." Everyone is learning. Everyone is using their wedge. Leela keeps drawing. She draws a park and writes park. She draws a river and writes river. She draws a sunset and writes sunset. She says the words out loud. Her voice is strong. One day, Emma has a new idea. "Let's make a book," she says. "Everyone can share their wedge. Write a story or draw a picture. Use English." Leela loves this idea. She draws animals, flowers, and cakes. She writes short sentences. "This is a cat. It is soft. This is a rose. It is red. This is a cake. It is yummy." She practices her sentences. She shows her drawings to Jack. "These are great," Jack says. "Your book will be amazing." On the day of the book reveal, the English club meets at the park. Sam writes about soccer.
A girl named Mia writes about music. Leela shows her drawings. Emma holds up Leela's book. "Look at this," she says. Leela used her wedge. Her drawings are beautiful. Her English is clear. Everyone claps. Leela feels like she can do anything. She speaks English every day. She talks to customers, Jack, and the English club. She is not shy anymore. One day, a new girl comes to the club. Her name is Sophie. Sophie is shy. She says, "I want to learn English, but I am scared."
Leela smiles. "I was shy too," she says. "But you can do it. Find something you love. Use it to learn English." Sophie thinks. "I love dancing," she says. Leela nods. "Great! Watch dance videos in English. Learn words like step, spin, and rhythm. Dancing is your wedge." Sophie smiles. "Thank you, Leela." Leela feels happy. She remembers when she was shy. Now she helps others. She loves her wedge. Drawing made English fun. Drawing made her confident. Leela looks at the park. The birds sing. The flowers bloom. She takes out her sketchbook. She draws a girl with a big smile. She writes, "This is me. I am happy. I speak English." Leela keeps drawing. She keeps learning. She knows English is not just a language. It is a way to share her love for drawing. It is a way to connect with the world.